All right, folks, though, this our producer wants us to work off the little food we had over the holiday with a cardboard tennis challenge. So here's how it works. Me and Dale went bounce it, and then we'll drop it in that bucket. It's a very simple thing. Very simple thing.
Yes, sir. How much are them?
It's very simple, very simple. Bounce. There, you have to bounce it. You have to bounce it back to iron.
To you. All right, come, darling.
Bounce. I like it. Hold on, to fix your racket properly. Bounce over there, sir.
Yeah.
This look like we now get none still all we are going. One of them, that. That's why I like work with you. One love. Come. Bounce.
What?
Almost.
Almost.
Bounce it up, bounce it. Ah, too love. We'll get that one.
Yes.
We'll deal with that one. Bounce. Come now, man. Yeah. What did you do, man? You have me under pressure. Remember, me
come again, them. You gotta get it right.
Come. Score now. You know, you're the goal.
You know, this is me have to pick up all that.
You're the goal scorer.
Oh, Jesus. How much are them?
We must get one. How much time? 3 minutes? What? Bounce. Sit there. Score. Ready?
Yeah.
All right.
No, sir. Almost.
Score. Delia, we have to get one still.
They look bad.
Chef, the backhand thing near the work a while ago, you know. Chef said we just relax. Just relax. Come again. Chef said relax. Hey, Delia.
You're too strong over there, sir, man.
No, you look that one, you like his shooting practice. What's again, man? You think he's shooting practice?
All right, see each other.
Delia, you're strong still.
You just said it over my head.
Bounce. Goal. Come now, days, man. We must can get one.
This not look good. Come,
Well,
Neville, this not look good.
5 love we have still. All right. Come. Feel me, I shoot from too far. Yeah, Sheffield said we relax. Really, I work off the food.
When I reach,
Minute and 5. We must get one. Come, man. Ay, dear, you have me under pressure.
Come. Foot turn around me. Close.
That's you, Sheffield, now work with me. You know what?
A bad management in I'm now look.
Nah, look. I have it now. Delia, almost. We're getting there. Goal.
Goal!
I'm on 6 that.
6, we are going good.
We're going very
One
good.
must reach.
I feel that one, you know. 7 love. I don't know why I feel it was that one.
The bucket. Come there.
You see what a bigger bucket?
I open the show. When this time around
30 seconds. And we have this.
Closer.
All right, last one, man. If I don't get this one, I resign.
I got something coming up. Not you.
3
But me
seconds.
say me now resign.
3 seconds.
Come here. See there.
Greetings across the world. No.